As a real estate professional, are you prepared for anything? No matter what a buyer says, no matter what a seller says, no matter what an investor says, are you ready for that? Because Fearless Agent coaching students of mine, they're prepared for anything. Every single real estate sales situation you would ever find yourself in, Fearless Agent prepares you for that. So when you're prospecting, when you're presenting, when you're doing the deals, the offers, everything, Fearless Agent will prepare you for that. So if you happen to be earning less selling real estate than you wish you were, and you're open to the idea of having some help with that, and you're willing to do the exact opposite of what causes the massive failure rate in the real estate industry, try something that's the opposite. And the likelihood is that that's going to work for you. You call me at 480-385-8810, and let's see if you would be a good fit for Fearless Agent coaching. And even if you're not, I'm happy to help you in any way I can, but let's have that complimentary coaching call and just see if what you're trying to do in your real estate career and what we do at Fearless Agent, if it's even a good fit. So go to fearlessagent.com, go to the banner at the top on the right-hand side. Well, I'm facing you. That's on the right-hand side of the banner. There's a webinar. Click on that. Watch that video and then give me a call for a complimentary coaching call, and let's see if we can make you a Fearless Agent. Thanks.